Hey everyone, how's it going? This is the Bald Metal Lloyd coming at you with hopefully a fairly short video. I just wanted to talk about, I would call this this is not a grail item or even close to that. I would call it more a minor find, but maybe a medium find. This is an album that I owned back when it originally came out. After a few years, I decided I didn't like it and foolishly got rid of it, but I was able to pick this up again today, and the album in question is Iron Maiden's The X Factor. This is actually the only Iron Maiden album that I didn't own prior to today that I wanted to have. Because I had all the other Maiden albums that I want, I own. The only two I don't own are Virtual XI, which I'll talk about here in a second, and The Final Frontier. Personally, Virtual XI, the music, in my opinion, that's of course the second Blaze Bayley album. To me, it would have been a way better album had Bruce been singing the songs. It just sounds like that was much more designed for Bruce's singing style than Blaze's. So just those two things mixed like oil and water instead of peanut. It could have been peanut butter and jelly, but unfortunately oil and water. So I just don't like Virtual XI, and I find The Final Frontier boring. So that's why I don't have that one. But I really enjoy The X Factor. I think it's an excellent album, which of course brings me to the other replacement singer of note, and that of course is Ripper Owens and Judas Priest. And of course, kind of a similar situation there. Jugulator, I think, is an excellent album, whereas Demolition is a total piece of crap, in my opinion. So, whatever. But as far as where I found this today, I found it at a chain called Half Price Books. I probably paid a whopping $6 for it. I looked at eBay, because this is the original pressing, by the way. It's going for around $20 used on eBay, so I guess I'm lucky I found it for $6. It's not in mint condition or anything, but it's in pretty decent condition, so, not bad. Definitely a decent find. It's something I've been looking for, I don't know, a while now, so I'm glad I found it. But anyway, just down in the comments below, I'd really be interested, of course, to hear what you guys think of, these two replacement singers. Which one you liked better, either Ripper or Blaze? I liked them roughly equally. Obviously, I'm ecstatic that we got Rob and Bruce back in those bands where they belong. But needless to say, I think those guys are definitely an interesting side note in those bands' catalog. So anyway, just let me know down below what you think. Anyway, that's it. As always, thanks so much for watching. Live long and prosper.